Prepare tools. Dampen a lint-free cloth or swab with a small amount of alcohol, slightly wet but not dripping. Turn off and disconnect power before operation to avoid accidental laser triggering. Gently wipe the camera lens surface from the center outward. Gently wipe the small lens or light hole of the red focus dot in the same way. Let it air dry for 1 to 2 minutes before powering on. Ensure the camera image is clear and the red focus dot is bright and normal.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.